Iran has the largest and most diverse ballistic missile arsenal in the Middle East. Most were acquired from foreign sources, notably North Korea. The Islamic Republic is the only country to develop a 2,000-kilometer missile without first having a nuclear weapons capability. Iran is still dependent on foreign suppliers for some key ingredients, components and equipment, but it has the technical and industrial capacity to develop long-range missiles, including an intercontinental ballistic missile, or ICBM. The military utility of Iran's liquid-fuel ballistic missiles is limited because of poor accuracy, so these missiles are not likely to be decisive if armed with conventional chemical or biological warheads. But Tehran could use its missiles as a political or psychological weapon to terrorize an adversary's cities and pressure its government. Meanwhile, Iran's space program, which includes the successful launch of several small crewed satellites into low Earth orbit, using the Safar-encased carrier rockets, proves the country's growing ambitions and technical prowess. Iran's pursuit of ballistic missiles predates the Islamic Revolution. Ironically, the Shah teamed with Israel to develop a short-range system. After Washington denied his request for Lens missiles, known as Project Flower, Iran provided the funds and Israel the technology. The monarchy also pursued nuclear technologies, suggesting an interest in a delivery system for nuclear weapons. Both programs collapsed after the revolution. Under the Shah, Iran had the largest air force in the Gulf, including more than 400 combat aircraft. But Iran's deep strike capability degraded rapidly after the break in ties with the West, limited access to spare parts, maintenance, pilot training and advanced armaments. So Tehran turned to missiles to deal with an immediate wartime need after Iraq's 1980 invasion. Iran acquired Soviet-made Scud-BS, first from Libya, then from Syria and North Korea. It used these 300 kilometers (185 miles) range missiles against Iraq from 1985 until the war ended in 1988. In 2022, U.S. Marine Corps Gen. Kenneth McKenzie, the commander of U.S. Central Command, assessed that the Iranian military and the Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps could field more than 3,000 ballistic missiles of all types. Iranian forces possess a diverse arsenal of ballistic munitions, including short-range and medium-range ballistic missiles. The largest and most capable of these munitions can reach targets up to 1,300 miles away. Tehran has also been working on an intercontinental ballistic missile capability to greatly improve its ability to strike at range. In addition to ballistic missiles, Iran has thousands of cruise missiles. Munitions like the Meshked and Saumar land attack cruise missiles have a shorter range than large ballistic missiles and less destructive power, but they are still dangerous and deadly. Cruise missiles are especially dangerous because they can fly at low altitudes and stay below a radar's line of sight. Modern cruise missiles can also fly close to terrain features such as mountains, hills, and valleys to hide themselves until their final approach. In addition, these missiles can fly in circuitous routes in order to bypass enemy radar and air defense systems. Tehran's cruise missile arsenal isn't necessarily the most capable, but it is still dangerous. Furthermore, the Iranian military can also deploy thousands of suicide drones. These loitering munitions might be smaller and less powerful than ballistic or cruise missiles, but they can still land a heavy punch, and they can be used to overwhelm or deplete enemy air defenses.